Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix AliExpress login problems. First, make sure to check your internet connection. You can just switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi, then try logging it again, as a weak connection can also stop the login from completing. Now also make sure to fully close the AliExpress app and again open it, as this refreshes the app and fixes small glitches. This is very important to know that if you have signed off using the email, then log in with email or any other options. Using a different methods can also cause login issues. Then also make sure to check out the App Store or Play Store. Within the search bar, type AliExpress and check if the update is available. If there is, make sure to update. After updating, uninstall the app and reinstall it again, then try logging in. You must also keep in mind that if you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off, as AliExpress sometimes block login from VPN connections. The other way is you can just open a web browser like Chrome or Safari. Within it, tap AliExpress, then log into the AliExpress website. If this works, the issue is with the app, not with your account. If nothing works, you can just go to the app and make sure to create a new account. In it, tap on the account icon given at the bottom right. From here, click Help Center. Then scroll down until you see online service button, then tap on it, and in the chat boot you can explain the login issue to the support assistant, and after you receive the solution you can just log into your old account with the guidelines, and that's how you can fix the AliExpress login problem step by step. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.